Today we are looking at how to make the pattern alteration if the sleeve head of our sleeve block is just too short. Let's take a look at what that means. If the sleeve head is too short, which is this bit up here, the sort of curve of the shoulder, what you're going to see is diagonal tension lines from the sleeve head down towards the bottom of the sleeve head, sort of in a V shape effectively from there. And there's going to be two little E's in the top as well. You want to be able to move and have some ease in there, but if the sleeve head is too short, it will be very sort of tight in that area. I'm Izzy at Minerva, and I'm going to be talking you through step by step how to make this simple pattern alteration. The first thing we're going to do on our pattern piece is line up our ruler with the central line here. We've got a nice dotted line on our ruler here, and just draw a line that is above the balance point on the back sleeve. And we're going to cut along that line now. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to assume that you need a 2 centimetre increase, which is actually quite a lot, but you use the figure and the amount that you need on your sleeve block to make this alteration. So if you need to increase it just by 1 centimetre, by 5 millimetres, by 3 centimetres, you do you, and follow along with the technique that I'm showing you today. So the increase that I want to add into the sleeve head is 2 centimetres. So I'm just going to mark a few little reference points that tell me that this is 2 centimetres away from the line I just cut. And then I'm very carefully just going to place my sleeve head and make sure that it is sitting perpendicular to the centre line, and that this centre line is lining up with the centre line of the sleeve here nicely. Brilliant. So you'll notice now that our sleeve curve of this one is sort of overshooting this one here, and likewise the same problem is happening here. All we need to do is just draw in a new sleeve head and find a nice soft curve to join those 2 points together. Use your pattern drafting ruler to find those soft curves that you need for the back and also for the front. So your new pattern piece will look like this. The curve will start there. Our reference points of our notches will remain the same because we added the volume above there. And then we've got a new curve head where we've added in volume. So the sleeve head before was just too short, and now we've added in the volume, so it should sit nicely over the top of our shoulders, top of our arms actually. And then the curve just continues all the way down to the front notch and continues under. And it really is as simple as that. So give that a go at home, have a little play around with it until you really refine that fit and it's looking great on you. So thanks for joining me today. I've been Izzy at Minerva. I will see you next week as we continue to look at our fitting series on sleeves.